Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. This time of year, as the days get shorter and the nights are longer and colder, your birds need some extra energy from the bird food that they're eating. There's not as much out in the wild for them to feed from, so it's especially nice to be able to provide them with food from their feeders. So peanuts out of the shell, that's a great seed, gives them lots of energy, lots of fat in that, so that they survive the cold nights as it gets colder and colder. They need to eat from dawn till dusk, basically, to be able to have enough energy to survive the nights. So these hulled peanuts are great. We also have hulled sunflower, which is another one that's got all kinds of fat in it, which really helps to give them that energy they need to survive. And then we have a Niger blend as well that actually has the hulled sunflowers chipped up in it. So that's another really good seed to be able to offer at this time of year. It's harder and harder as the nights get colder and longer for the birds to live through that cold spell. We haven't had such a bad winter yet, but it's coming, and so it's really good to be prepared. Great idea to clean your feeders as well in preparation for the heavy feeding that's going to happen with all the birds showing up at your feeder. So take your feeders apart, give them a really good cleaning in some hot water, and then dry them out, fill them up again, and put some good fresh seed out. Keep the snow off of them as well, as it makes it a little harder for the birds to access the food if there's a lot of snow on your feeders, and make sure they're not freezing up or anything when the nights are getting cold. So check on your feeders a lot, and you'll have lots of birds coming to your feeders and enjoying all the good stuff that you're putting out for them. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.